Hey, this is Kansas City Sprinters. I'll make a quick video about the importance of fuel filters on a diesel. So this is a common rail diesel, and you have a high pressure fuel pump that feeds this fuel rail, and it pressurizes that fuel rail, and then the fuel is fed to each of the injectors, and electronically those injectors use the fuel as the ECU commands. So on the back side of that, back there, that guy right there, that's your that's like a pressure release valve. So what that does is it opens and closes and lets fuel out. So you can imagine this fuel rail, you don't want any contaminants inside of there. You don't want any dirt or grit or grime, because you're going to push those things into the injectors, and you're going to push them into that back rail back here. So that's exactly what we had wrong with this one, and I did a little quick fix on this. So here I've got a fuel rail that's disassembled. You're not really supposed to do this, but I got a fuel rail that's disassembled, and I want you to take a look inside of this rail. It's kind of hard to see, but you see those little particles? See if I can get that. Yep, okay. See all those particles? Those are things that got past a fuel filter. So somebody at some point on the engine that this rail came off of neglected their fuel filter, and they put dirt and grime in here. Now I'm using this rail as a donor rail. I'm pulling stuff off and throwing it in this one, because you can look at this. That's that back release valve. Look at that. That is rust. That is bits and contaminants on that inlet back there, that pickup line, and that's not supposed to be that way. So it's a good reminder. It's just a great visual that you need to be doing fuel filters if you want a diesel, especially common rail diesel or anything that's pretty fine injection. You need to be filtering your fuel religiously. You need to do it normally and replace it on an interval. We tell people to do them every other oil change. So keep doing your fuel filters, keep your fuel system clean, and you will not have to come visit me for a repair.